So I'm really in the mood to make some fajitas, but before that, just like the Marvel movies, we have to do some setup. And my setup is a delicious, simple recipe for salsa roja. The best part about the salsa is how the smokiness from the roasted garlic, tomatoes, and onion shine through that salsa. And if you don't have a gas stove or a broiler, I'll show you how to do it all in a cast iron pan. So let's get right into it. See, the cast iron pan is super hot right now. Not smoking quite yet, but you can just tell it's hot by the way the vegetables are dancing. Now just roast the tomatoes, garlic, and the onions until you see some marks of char. You'll know the tomatoes are done when most of the skin is softened and is starting to naturally peel off. And this is what's key in getting that smoky flavor in the salsa. Of course, if you had a gas stove, you could have just directly charred it over your gas. Transfer all of this into a food processor, add a generous pinch of salt, and then we'll roast some guajillo and chilies de árbol. Once they have softened very slightly, become fragrant, let them sit in a bowl of water for about 15 minutes and then they all go in the food processor. And I'll process this until it's super nice, fragrant, red, smoky, just like this. Now, while you can have it as is, I'm gonna simmer it, and that's gonna help intensify the flavors and make the flavors even deeper. I would really recommend that you do that. And once you simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can finish it with a fresh squeeze of lime juice, add a bit of cilantro in there, taste and check for salt, and this salsa roja is ready for you to put on anything. So if you like this recipe for salsa roja, then you definitely have to check out salsa verde. I'll see you in the next one.